Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Open your countdown. Students, as we are going through the review of chapter number 5, that is division, and today we are going to learn the page number 90. So students, open page number 90. And our today's topic is question number 7. Tick the sums which make rupees 50. So students, we are going to calculate the numbers, and if it is equal to the rupees 50, then we will take it. Okay, let's start with our first question. Here is the part A, in which we are going to add. Look at the sign. Here is the sign of addition. Look at this. Here is the sign of addition. So we are going to add rupees 10 and rupees 28. Look at this, students. I have gave you 28 rupees and your mother gave you 10 rupees. Either it is equal to 50 or not. If it is equal to 50, you are going to mark a tick. If not, then okay. So students, here I am adding 28 rupees and 10 rupees. 8 plus 0 is 8 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now students, look at the number. This one is equal to 38. So this one is not my answer. I will not mark the tick for this answer. Look at this, students. My answer is 38. So I will not mark the tick for this answer. Come towards the next portion, part B. So students, here I have to add 48 rupees and the 2 rupees. So students, here we are adding 48 rupees and 2 rupees. Let's add it. 8 and 2. 8, 9 and 10. With the two fingers, I get the number 10. I will write the 0 here and 1 above in the carry. So 4 plus 1, 4 and 1 is 5. Students, my answer is 50. Students, here is my required answer. So students, this 50. Students, as my answer is 50, so as required in the statement that I will mark the tick here. Here is my tick. Students, 48 plus 2 is 50. Now here I have the 50 rupees, so I have marked a tick here. In the next part, see, look, here is the sign of multiplication. We are going to multiply 16 rupees with 6. It means that we have the 6 children and each of the children having the 16 rupees. Okay, let's multiply it. Look at this, students. Here I am multiplying 16 with the 6. Starting from the ones column, 6 6 are 36. 6 is here and 3 is on the tens column. 6 ones are 6. 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now my answer is 96. Students, either it is equal to 50 or not. Not. Yes. So I am not mark the tick for this answer. As this one is not equal to 50, so I will left it. Next is the part D, in which here we have the 100 rupees and we are going to subtract 30 rupees from these 100 rupees. Look students, here you have 100 rupee note and you are giving 30 rupees to your friend. You will left with how many rupees? Now students, let's subtract 30 rupees from our 100 rupee note. 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. So 3 can be subtracted from 0. We will take this one carry and this will become the 10. 10 minus 3, this is equal to 70. Now students, our question is again not the 50. So I will not mark the tick for this answer. Look, I have write my answer here, but I will not take it because this one is not the 50. Next is my part E. Students, here I am adding 34 rupees and 16 rupees. Look at this, we are adding 34 and 16. 6 plus 4, answer is 10. 0 will write here and 1 as a carry. 3, 4 and 5. So our answer is 50. Look at this, we are going to mark it, okay, because our answer is equal to 50. Look at this students, my answer is 50. So I am gonna mark the tick for my answer. Next is the part F. Students, here is the sign of addition again. So I am gonna add 90 rupees and 45 rupees. So students, let's add this. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 4 is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. My answer is 135. This one is very bigger amount from the number 50. So I will not mark the tick for my answer. I have just write down my answer, but I will not mark it. Next is the part G, in which you are going to multiply the numbers rupees 10 and your 5 friends have rupees 10. So you are going to multiply to get your answer. So students, 10 fives are 50. We know the answer. 10 fives are 50. Look at this, we get the number 50. So we are going to take it, okay. Next is the part G. So students, here is the sign of subtraction. You are going to subtract 0 rupees from the 50. So students, 0 is the no number. So if I subtract no number from the 50, then my answer will remain the same, which means that 50 minus 0 is 50. So our answer is 50. That is our required answer. So I am marking a tick above it, okay. Next is our part I. Students, 5 is being multiplied by the 12. You have 5 rupees and 12 persons have 5 rupees. So we are going to multiply it. 5 twos are 10, 0 and 1 carry. 5 ones are 5 and 1 is 6. 12 fives are 60. This 60 is not our required answer, so I will not mark a tick for this. Here is my required answer, 60. Next is the part J. So students, here I am gonna add rupees 80 and rupees 30. Let's add the numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So students, here is the number 110. This 110 is quite bigger from my number 50. So I will not mark the tick. Look at this. Rupees 80 and rupees 30 will become 110 rupees. Next is the sign of subtraction. So students, here we are going to subtract 100 and 50. If I subtracted 50 from the rupee 100, in this way 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. Look at this students, here is my required answer, so I am gonna mark the tick for this answer. Here is our required answer, 50. So I will mark the tick for this answer. Next is the part L. Students, here you have the 25 rupees and the 2 persons having the 25 rupees. So we are going to multiply it. Here is the sign of multiplication. 25 twos are. Students, here is the multiplication. 5 twos are 10. I am writing the 0 here and 1 above this. 2 twos are 4 and 1 is 5. Now students, 25 twos are 50. Here is my required answer, so I will mark the tick for this answer. 25 twos are 50. So students, here is the sign of tick because this is equal to my answer, 50. Next is the sign of division. So students, here we are going to divide 70 rupees into 2 people. You have 70 rupees and you are going to divide these 70 rupees into your 2 friends. Students, let's divide it. Firstly, we will compare our divisor with the first digit of dividend. So students, 2 threes are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1 and here 1 is being smaller from the 2, so I will take this 0 down here. 10. So students, 2 5s are 10. What is my answer? My answer is this quotient. 35 is my answer. Here I am writing my answer 35, but it is not equal to 50, so I will not mark it. Next is the part N, in which we are going to do the process of subtraction. 90 minus 40. Let's subtract it. Students, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5. So our answer is 50. We're gonna mark the sign of tick for this answer. 90 minus 40 and this one is equal to 50. So students, mark it. Yes, we have marked the sign of tick here. Next step is 50 multiplied by 0. So students, tell me, 0 is one of the magical word, and 0 when it is multiplying with any digit, it will make it 0. So our answer is 0. That is not our required answer. Next is the part P. So students, here you have a 10 rupee note and you are counting it that your 5 friends have 10 rupee note. Let's multiply to get our answer. Look at this students, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, which here is the answer 50, which is our required answer. So here is my answer 50 and I'm gonna mark the tick for my answer. Next is the part Q. So students, here 50 is being multiplied by the 1. So students, read the table of every digit, and if 1 is multiplied with any digit, the digit will remain same. So 50's ones are 50. Here is our required answer and I'm gonna mark the tick for this answer. Next is the part R. Students, here I have the 95 rupees and you have the 35 rupees. Now how many rupees in total we both have? So students, we have to do the process of addition to get our answer. Let's do the process of addition. Let's add 95 and 35. Let's add 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10, 0 and 1 carry, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So students, here is my answer 130. That is not my required answer. 95 plus 35 is equal to, students, 130. Okay. Next is the part S. Students, here you have the 20 rupees note and you are giving 3 rupees to me. So students, what will be the remaining rupees? 20 minus 3. Let's do the process of subtraction to get our answer. 20 minus 3. Students, let's subtract it. 3. I can't subtract 3 from the 0, so I have to take 1 carry from this 2. This 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become 10. 3 minus 10 and that is equal to 7. Remaining with the number 1 here, so 1 will be down as it is. 17. 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 is not my required answer. So students, 20 minus 3 is 17. You left with 17 rupees. You had 20 rupees. You will give 3 rupees to me and remaining rupees are 17. Here is the last part of our today's topic, and here is 100 rupee note. Students, you have 100 rupee note and you are dividing that 100 rupees equally between your two siblings. Okay, you are dividing 100 rupees to your two siblings. Let's divide it. Here are my 100 rupees and I am dividing these 100 rupees into my two siblings. 2. So students, look at this. First digit is smaller from my divisor, so I will take the pair. This will become 10. So students, 10, 2 5s are 10. Next, 10 minus 10 is 0. So look at this. This 0 is left with not attainable, so I am taking this 0 down here, and in the next step I will mark 2 zeros are 0 here. Okay, 0 minus 0, and now here is our remainder 0. So students, 50's 2's are 100. Now how many rupees of your each sibling will have? Your each sibling will have 50 rupees. Okay. 100 divided by 2, and our answer is 50. Look at this students, this 50 is our required answer. So I am gonna mark the tick for this sum. Okay. Students, look, we have solved all the questions on page number 90. You are going to solve and practice all of them by yourself. Look at this, here we have how many ticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have the 10 ticks here. Okay students, practice them on your book. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.